a member server. Eventually this server is going to become our file and print server, and you see I've already installed this because really, do you want to watch another installation? I don't think so. So I've already gone ahead and installed this. I've joined it to the domain. That's no big deal, piece of cake, right? So we're going to real quickly install the features that we're going to need in order to manage that DHCP server via the MMC. So I'm going to go here into features, and you'll see that I have one feature installed. I'm going to add features. I just want to show you where to go to install the RSAT tools. One really important enhancement that I've found is that when we start to add in features that rely on other features, it actually installs them for you. So if there's any dependencies that a particular feature has, the server wizard, the add features wizard, is actually going to install them as well automatically. Now you don't have to, but if you're going to use that particular feature, if there's a required service, it's also going to include that as well. So we're going to go ahead and install these remote server administration tools from the features section. Again, just using the wizard, nothing complex here. I'm going to hit next, and you're going to see it's going to also install additional tools that include some of the plugins and features of IIS for the remote administration. I'm going to hit next, and then install. And this is going to sit here and spin for just a little bit. It might ask us to restart the machine before we can actually use those tools. But if we don't install RSAT, we're not going to have access to that DHCP MMC plugin snap-in if we don't, if this machine is not already a DHCP server. So we need to have these tools ready and available for us to use. And you see it's getting ready to finish installing. A lot of these tools don't take very long to install because they're just snap-ins. Yep, there we go. And so the installation has completed, but we must restart the server to finish the installation process. So I'm going to go ahead and close. I'm going to go ahead and restart now. And then once again, as we do and during installation, I'm going to pause the video and then start recording again once the machine has restarted and I've logged back in. Alright, as you see here, I have logged back into the machine again after the reboot, and you'll see that it is finishing up the installation process. We need to make sure that it has a little bit of time to fully load up those items, and here we go. Installation has succeeded, so we are all set to go. I'm going to go ahead and close this results box.